Hello, my aspiring developer friend. Today I wanted to show you why SmartSuite is valuable. Just another example of another software that pushes this bottom piece to zero. Let's get into it. This is awesome. So first and foremost, the dream outcome is I want to systemize, I want to digitize my business with my team. There's so much miscommunication. We got so many problems. Workflows are a mess. SOPs aren't adhered to. Data is everywhere. I want everything in one place. I want a source of truth for my business, for everything that's going on, for communications with clients and customers. I want to track that. That's my dream. I need that. Okay, so what are some options? I could go out and find like a tool that exists that might work for me, but there's going to be a lot of effort and sacrifice in learning that new tool. It might take some time to figure it out, but really, it might not fit my dream, right? It might not fit my company's systems. Salesforce might not be perfect for me. HubSpot might not work for me. It might have some pieces that are good, but overall, the dream isn't there. It doesn't fit my business processes. And so, what do? Well, enter SmartSuite, right? SmartSuite is a tool that lets you build out your entire workflow, work management platform, the ultimate work management platform. They say manage your business workflows on a single unified platform. Fetch and awesome, right? So this enables the dream. It enables people to create their entire work management platform custom for them. That's the dream, right? It fits perfectly into your business, how you work, how you function. And guess what? Time, delay, and effort and sacrifice, you don't need to learn how to code to do any of it. So effort and sacrifice, boom, driven to zero. Time delay, almost non-existent as well. They have hundreds of templates that you can use to just get started almost immediately. And if we're looking at the perceived likelihood of achievement, we just trusted by 5,000 plus businesses worldwide with a massive scrolling list of icons and logos. So if these people can use it, so can you, right? That's the message that they're sending, is these people have used it successfully. You can use it successfully as well. So this is how SmartSuite has created value. This is how they create value. It's how they've created value for me, right? I've used SmartSuite to create multiple, like maybe 4 or 5, upwards of 6 custom little applications now for myself. One of them for my no-code software selector that helps me solve, like helps you. I'm getting lost here. No-code software selector helps you easily and effortlessly. Okay, we're going back to this. Time delay, effort and sacrifice, easily and effortlessly. It drives this to zero. Find the no-code tool to help you solve your problem, right? Because so many people told me that it was a hassle trying to research all these different tools. So I'm like, okay, let's make it really freaking easy to do it. Let's build a software to do this for you, to drive these down to zero. That makes it valuable. My SmartSuite app for that lets me track requests, which is, I built it in just like a couple of minutes, and now I can track requests from people who use that application. I built something I call the relationship game. It's effectively my own little CRM. I get to keep track of all the people I like to keep track of, know when I need to contact them, know when I last contacted them, know what I said when I last contacted them, even send emails directly from SmartSuite if I want to. So I've built dozens of little mini apps here that have been incredibly valuable for me. So SmartSuite enables all of that by letting the dream be flexible, which is super awesome, and decreasing this time, delay, and effort and sacrifice necessary to just build whatever you're thinking of building. I've built things on the toilet. That's awesome. Again, flexibility. That's amazing. I've desired, I've wanted, I've dreamed of a platform where I could build wherever I wanted, in the car, on the road, hiking around, just on the toilet while I'm sleeping, while my daughter's sleeping on me, right? I don't want to move when my daughter's asleep on me. Heck no, you couldn't get me off the couch for anything. But I still want to do things. After I've enjoyed the moment and soaked it up, it's like, all right, now let's channel this energy, this good energy, into the creation of something amazing. And SmartSuite has enabled that. That's a dream out. That's a dream that I've been looking for 5 years. And SmartSuite has enabled it for me. That is value. And it did that by making it incredibly easy. They decreased the effort and the sacrifice necessary to build on their platform to, I can do it with my freaking phone. They drove the effort and sacrifice to zero. That is value. So cool. It's so cool. So that's just about enough, I think, of the value equation. I will definitely refer back to it consistently because it is the foundation of determining value. And you will need to be able to determine and deliver value, which means knowing this equation forward and backwards, up and down, left and right is going to be important. And I've only covered it from the positive aspect of it. But if you were to inverse this entire equation, then you create some really fun things as well. You create negative value. What is the inverse of value? What obliterates value? And we could definitely get into that. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but it's also a fun way to think about things. And I will definitely get into that when we start to break things down into the problem solution result framework that I got from, I believe it was Marketing Made Simple by Seth Godin. And I'm going to need to double check, make sure that book is accurate. But Marketing Made Simple by Seth Godin, just problem, solution, result. Problem, solution, result. And that maps incredibly well to this value equation. And that is what I use now pretty much any time I'm trying to determine the value of software and sell it to a potential customer. So let's dive into that.